Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to number 3 secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 9 secant of t square, number 9 and number 9. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1 we change by tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root. So we do first derivative for the both sides. So I will put this one gone here and here. The s we change by this one. This one we have 9 secant of t square. Number 9 and number 9 we can do about factorization. So this one we change by tan t square. Next, this one we have 3 tan t. And now we need to simplify the number 9 secant of t on numerator and denominator. So number 3 I will put outside. Tan t and tan t, we have tan t square. Tan t square we change by sin t square over cosine t square. This one we have 1 over cosine t square. And now we need to simplify, and we have sin t square. So we have the formula in here. Sin t square equals to 1 minus cosine 2t over number 2. So I will put this one gone here. Number 2 and number 3 we have 1 over 6. The integration of number 1 we have t. The integration of cosine 2t we have 1 over 2 sin 2t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 3. And we have t equal to r secant of s over 3. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.